み、かん、かん、けん、けん、くん読み、あいだ、あいだ、ま、ま、あい、I. This kanji mean into or space. 時間、時間。時間 is mean time or hours. For example, you can create a sentence like ここから東京までは何時間ですか？ここから東京までは何時間ですか？ Which means how long the time from here to Tokyo? How long the time from here to Tokyo? ここから東京までは5時間がかかります。ここから東京までは5時間がかかります。Which means it will take 5 hours from here to Tokyo. 期間、期間。期間 is mean period or term. For example, we can create a sentence like 研修期間はいつからいつまでですか？研修期間はいつからいつまでですか？ Which mean in English like what is about the training season? What is about the training season? Or you can say like when the training season will start and end. 短期間、短期間。短期間 is mean short term or short time. 期間 is mean the time, right? The time, the interval of the time. 期間 is mean the interval of the time, which means from point A to point B. The time from point A to point B. And when we put the tang is mean short, which means short interval or short term or short time. So when we put the kanji of tang with the kikan, with the kanji of ki and the kokan, which means short term or short time. For example, 研修は短期間です。研修は短期間です。The training's time is short term. The training's time is short term. 制限、制限。制限 is mean world or society. The kanji of sei is from the kanji of seikai, right? Seikai is mean the world. And the kanji of ken is mean the interval. So it means the interval around the world. So we can say like the world or the society. Seiken is mean world or the society. 瞬間、瞬間。瞬間 is mean moment or instant. For example, 話した瞬間 which mean the moment that you speak or the moment that you spoke, right? The moment that you have spoken with your friends. The moment that you have spoken with your friends. 友達と話した瞬間は大事です。 The time that you have spoken with your friend is important. 瞬間 the moment or the instant, which means the short time that you take to talking with somebody, or that some action that happen in short term. You can say 瞬間 瞬間 is not just a moment. 民間 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 is mean private or civilians. Private or civilian. Min is mean the people, right? Kan is mean the interval. This mean the interval of the people is mean private. Private example can say 民間企業. 民間企業 is mean company. It's private is not for the governments. It's not the agency of the government. So you can say 民間企業 is mean the company. Company is private. So you can say 民間企業. 人間 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 is mean human being or person. 人間として何が正しいか。人間としてやるべきことは何ですか。Which means the human being, what is the right. The human being, what is the wrong. Which means so when you say 人間として何が正しいですか Which means human being, what is the right. 人間として何が正しくないですか Human being, what is the wrong. 間 間 間 is mean space or between or gap or interval or distance or the time between from point A to point B, the time of pass. For example, A と B の間 which means the space between A and B. 大阪から東京の間 which means the between Osaka and Tokyo. ついこの間ついこの間ついこの間 is mean just the other day or quick recently. ついこの間 This is the express, so you have to remember when you use just the other day. When you talking about some conversation, you can use ついこの間ついこの間話した会話では楽しかったです。Which means just other days we have a conversation together that is interesting. ついこの間田中さんと会いました。ついこの間田中さんと会いました。Which means I met with Mr. Tanaka-san just the other day. 合間合間合間 is mean interval or break or pause or space or moment. 仲間仲間仲間 is mean fellow or comrade. Nakama is mean your friends. You create friends or many people together and they make in group. That the group that is a nakama. Nakama ga hoshii. This means you need some friends or you need somebody. Nakama ga sukunai, which means you have a small. You have not. So you just have a little bit of friends. That means you have not so many friends, you just 仲間が少ない。仲間が多い。Which means you have many friends, you have many people live together. Hiruma is mean during the day. Hiru is mean in the afternoon, and ma is mean the interval or the distance of the interval of the time. So when we put the hiru and ma is mean the during the day, which mean in the evening, in the afternoon. So in that time, around 8 o'clock to 5 p.m. around that is a hiruma during the day. Ima is mean living room. この今は広いですね。この今は広いですね。which means this living room is large. この今は狭いです。この今は狭いです。which means this living room is small, not large. テーマ is mean time or label. For example, you can say like この作業は手間がかかります。この作業は手間がかかります。which means these works cost many time. This work takes many time to do. That is mean your hand, and ma is mean the interval or the space or the distance of the time. So that means you put your hand to do something and it takes time, right? So in the case like you can say the time or the label or the time that you use to do something or to work something. So you can say 手間がかかります is mean it takes time to do something. この作業は手間がかかります is mean it takes time to do this work. You don't know how many hours, but you can say take times to do. We don't know how many minutes, how many hours, so you can say 手間。間に合う。If we say slowly, we can say 間に合う。But we say faster, we can say 間に合う。which means be in time for something. For example, you can say ミーティングに間に合う。ミーティングに間に合います。which means I'm in time for the meeting. 田中さんはミーティングに間に合います。which means Mr. 田中さん is in time for the meeting. If not in time, you can say 間に合わない。ミーティングに間に合わない。which means I'll be not in time for the meeting. Or you can say like 電車に間に合わない。電車に間に合わない。which means I will not in time for the train. 電車に間に合わない。which means I will not in time for the train. 田中さんは電車に間に合わない。which means Mr. 田中さん will not in time for the train.